Hi, my name is Marissa Deitz, and I am one of the composers on the next Glenview Classical Series concert on July 6th at 4 p.m. I wrote a cello duet, which has electronics. Both of the cellos are going into one delay, like a granular delay pedal that I am manipulating live, as well as playing. It is called At the Bottom of a Lake Looking Up, and it's about overwhelm and, feeling submerged. The textures of the piece are, cello going into delay, using a lot of extended techniques, like sul ponticello, which makes all of these sort of sparkly overtones, sparkly harmonics. And we also have, these very affected moments that sort of blossom from the acoustic sound. And then as well, moments when those electronics are totally out and we are doing these kind of low, trudging, completely dry things. And so there's this kind of dialogue between those different textures. Exploring, the murky mud at the bottom, as well as like light glistening on the surface of water. And it's an interesting piece, I think, because it uses a mixture of both traditional notation, like regular notes on paper, as well as more open sections where we can kind of respond to what each other and what the electronics are doing more improvisationally. So there's, a series of parameters that we can move within. And so I'm always very interested in that space between improvisation and notation. So I'm very excited to be performing it alongside Louis Patzner, who I'm sure you're familiar with if you're at all familiar with the Glenview Classical Series. I've been able to be a composer with them before, and I'm so excited to come back and see all of these other pieces that are on this bill. So that is, again, July 6th at 4 p.m. at St. Paul Lutheran Church in Oakland. Hope to see you there.